Good morning, folks. I just came across on one of the comments that one of the good viewers says maybe that power is that is being used by the Midnite is for the memory or a backup. And for your information, the Midnite has a battery behind this cover that saves the information, the date, time, and every year or two you need to replace it. And there is no mention of it in the manual that came with this charger. So in order to change it, you need to remove the cover. It's hard. Let me remove the cover and I'll come back. Hold on. Okay, I removed the cover, and that's where the battery is, right there. In order to change it, you need to slide it off and put the new one in. It's a CR1216, and I just replaced it about a month or two ago. So just a little information on the battery. Thanks for watching.